Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is my follow-up video for my black skirt tetra from day 3 to day 12. So in this video we can see how they are growing day to day, and I'll also share with you the food which I'm giving them daily. So at the end of the video maybe you can notice a big difference between the growth of the fries. So I have also added few plants and inside my aquarium, and there are few snails I think which came up when I bought some plants, and also I added few duckweed on the top, so which may help in some microorganism culture or something like that. And also I would like to share with you guys is that after day 7 I started feeding them live Daphnia. As you can see there, they pretty much enjoy eating live food, and as you can compare like our normal our kids, like when you have different options they tend to prefer the food which is very much which they like, something like kids like sweets, right? So here I see my fries also started liking Daphnia, and they started avoiding the other foods like Artemia, which I used to supply, which I used to give them the normal feed. Yeah, I was pretty lucky to find this Daphnia in my nearby pet shop, where I can go ahead and buy them. It's just cost around $1 for me. So whenever so it comes around like pretty much around like 2 days. So afterwards they tend to die. So I go to my pet shop and grab them so to feed my fish. So and they're growing pretty much fast and quick, as you can see in the videos also. It's like there is a big huge size difference between them. So maybe at the end of this video, when it's day 12 of my fry size, you can actually see them little scales coming up, and you can see the fins and all. It's pretty much now visible. So if you can compare, if you compare with my previous videos where I started capturing the videos of them from the time they hatched from the eggs and to day 12, you can see there is huge difference. So for now I will continue feeding Daphnia, as I could observe them was that like they like the Daphnia very much, and they tend to hunt them like pretty much in the wild kind of stuff, and it's pretty much easier to feed live food. If by any chance you guys get Daphnias or live worms, microworms, so that will help you because you don't need to worry about like whether your fish will eat the food or not, because they will definitely love them. uh, yeah, and so let's see. I will share with you future video of them when it pretty much like 20 or 30 days. So let's see how they go up. For now I can see there are pretty much of handful of fish which I have. Hopefully they grow big, and I can introduce them into my main tank where their parents are. So finger crossed. So if you guys need any other information, you can comment in my video, so I can help you to share the knowledge which I have. For at least from my side, I am very much happy that finally I was able to get this fries till day 12, because my previous 5 to 6 tries were failed miserably. Like I said, like after 3 4 days the fries died. Yeah, so please like the video uh, uh, if you are pretty much happy with the information, and you also can leave your comments if you need any further information of raising your any kind of tetras. I think the tetras are pretty much the same. There is not much difference between any kind of tetras, raising the price of any kind of tetras. So thanks guys, you can watch till the end for the day 12 size of my fries. Thank you.